I will start from index 1. Then after, I will write the index 3. So we will get OR as the output. Because in index concept, what happens? It will exclude the whatever you mention over here. If you mention 3, it will exclude 3 position and it will return only up to 1 to 2. So we will get O and R here. So that's what we discussed here, like, using this particular string. We use a slicing over here. So that's what I discussed about the positive indexing. We went to the negative indexing as well. Here, positive indexing starts with right-hand side, right? Just like right-hand side. So if you see the negative indexing, so it will start like R, right? So it will start from -1. It will start with -2. It will start with -2. And it will -2. But here, while fetching the data, it is going to be the same. It will going to have the same syntax. So for suppose, if you want O and R using negative indexing, how you will write? You will start from -3, okay? And you will end from -1. Let me try it here, and I will conclude this concept over here, and we will go to the next concept. So what I have said, I need to get the O and R characters. I will start from, first, let's do the positive indexing. It will start from index 1, and it will end from 3. We'll get O and R. If you want to do the same thing from the negative indexing, we will write. First, if I write -3, we will get this one. If I write -3, we will get O and R. Okay. So, the class should have to be more interactive. Like, we will get more dots and we can discuss more. So, strings are immutable. So, what do you mean by immutable is, once the string has created, it cannot be changed. So we cannot modify actually. It will be changed. What do you mean by it cannot be changed? What happens when you try to create a string? Suppose, let's say you have created the string. Country, okay. So in this string, if you have created this kind of string, we'll try to allocate some sort of memory in some RAM, okay. So it will store in RAM. You know RAM, right? Random access memory. So this particular string is going to store in some RAM, okay. It will store, we are having some different concept, like, it will store in, we are having like a concept called stack and heap over here, okay. This particular America is the largest economic country is going to store here because this is a kind of data. This is a value. They are going to create some object. And this object is going to have some memory data, right? Like address. So in stack, it is going to store here. Let's say the address is 5,000. Okay. So this stack is going to refer this particular object. It's going to refer an object over here. Okay. So why I am saying all these things, what happens, I'm trying to make you understand that what do you mean by immutable? Once you create, it cannot be changed. Here you created this particular variable named C, and it has stored some memory address, and the data has stored here. If you even want to modify this, you want to manipulate this thing, it cannot be changed. Let me show you in practical. See, I have created a variable with some value. Okay. After creating this, I am printing this one. I have printed. Let me see the memory address. What is the memory address? Where it has stored. So to see
Slide you come okay. Slide is frozen. The rest of it.